Welcome to the any or some quiz. Choose A or B. I need help with my homework. The correct answer is some. Use some in positive sentences. Do you have questions? The correct answer is any. Use any in general questions. There aren't cookies left. The correct answer is any. Use any in negative sentences. Would you like tea? The correct answer is some. Use some for offers and invitations. I didn't buy milk at the store. The correct answer is any. Use any with negative verbs, didn't. Can I have water, please? The correct answer is some. Use some when making a request. She has beautiful photos. The correct answer is some. Use some in affirmative sentences. Is there bread in the kitchen? The correct answer is any. Use any in questions with uncountable nouns. I don't have money right now. The correct answer is any. Use any in negative sentences. Let's listen to music. The correct answer is some. Use some in positive sentences. Thanks for watching. See you next time.